Today we talk about how can you change your email address on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sound down here, click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here on your profile. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on account settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on change email address, you just click on it here. So then here you just click here is confirm it here. So here I have my so it's confirmed here my email address, but if you not can here, can you change it on your blog app? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like